Hi, and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today's recipe is courtesy of our mom. It's an addictive, creamy, cold coconut dessert that my mom used to make for us twice a year, and only during the month of Ramadan. It's indulgent, decadent, and so easy to make, so it's perfect for any beginner in the kitchen. Detailed ingredients are at the end of the video for you to screen capture and in the description box as well. In a mixing bowl, start by dumping in 2 cans of cream, also known as qishta to Arabic speakers. Add in 1 can of evaporated milk. Then we are going to open a packet of instant cream caramel, but we are only going to use the powder ingredients packet and add that in. That powder is going to bring in a nice caramel and sweet creamy flavor into our mixture. Give everything a good mix with a whisk or a mixer. Then we'll add in 1 sleeve of instant Dream Whip powder, and that is going to add in more sweetness and help the texture of the mixture become fluffier and creamier as well. Mix again well until everything is dissolved and the mixture thickens a little. Then add in roughly chopped pistachios, about 3 to 5 teaspoons, it's up to you. After that we'll add in 2 heaped teaspoons of coconut shavings and we'll mix it all up again. Give it a taste to check the sweetness, and at this point you can add in sugar if you wanted, but I would advise against that because the cream caramel and the Dream Whip already have their own sugars in there. Instead, I'm just going to add in more coconut powder and pistachios. Then start roughly breaking some Ulker biscuits into the bowl and use a spoon to mix them all well with the cream mix. Put the bowl in the freezer for 1 to 2 hours or in the fridge for at least 6 to 8 hours if you don't have the freezer space. You'll see later that the mixture has become firm and solidified. Now to assemble the log, you can skip the aluminum foil and only use plastic or saran wrap, but I used both because the aluminum foil helps me mold the form and shape better, but the plastic wrap doesn't stick to the log as much. Now, if you're not ready to serve this dessert yet, you can keep the log wrapped in the plastic and foil and keep it in the freezer. This dessert should always be enjoyed really cold because it's almost like ice cream. Actually, it's even better than ice cream. But if you are ready to serve it, roll the log in more coconut shavings so that it coats the entire exterior of the log, then sprinkle more pistachios on top. Cut it into thin slices, or thick slices if you want, no judgments, and it will look like beautiful discs and serve. I'm sorry I didn't cut into mine for you guys because it was actually going to a relative's house and it would have been weird if I brought a dessert then had a piece of it cut off. Okay, well that's it. Thanks for making it this far and have a great day from Happy Kitty Kitchen. Bye!